Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the major manufacturing A200 Kee Blok, is what it is. This is a device that installs onto the operating trim of a cylindrical lever lock and allows you to prevent access to the cylinder on the lock. This is like a temporary lockout sort of mode. This might be something that could give access to a job site foreman. Installing this at the end of the day, removing it at the beginning of each day, preventing immediate access from that unit, from that lock on that door. So this model, the A200, is compatible with several grade 1 lever locks, and we'll go over those models when we switch to the screen view. But first, just some dimensional review. Obviously, this is going to slide over your lever return, and that'll get over the face of it via that key, and we'll talk about the different key options that are available. It's like a corrugated style key blank that's here. It will allow you to lock that. It cannot be opened at that point. Key is removed and it's locked in place. It weighs about 0.68 pound. An idea of its overall height from the hinge all the way down to the bottom of the unit appears to be about 4 1/8. Outside diameter looks like it's about 2 3/4, and the thickness of the unit looks like it's about 2 inch. Let's switch now to the screen view and let's take a closer look at the supporting documentation. Below this video is a link to the cut sheet for this item, and we can take a closer look at it. Blocks all existing keys to a lever handle in seconds. Yeah, sure indeed. Installs quite quickly. Over these models that are here, Schlage Rhodes, the Olympia, which is a long discontinued Schlage lever, was the predecessor really of the Rhodes. Aero Sierra, Sargent 10 line trims, the Falcon DG. DG would stand for Dane Gala, the lever and rose sort of trim. A Lockwood lever. Lockwood's not made levers, and Lockwood in the United States hasn't been a company for decades. US Lock, Cal Royal, Apollo, LSDA, S. Parker, Sargent 6500, and others. If it's going to be some sort of very close derivative of the Schlage Rhodes, it's probably going to work just fine. Fits most lever handle locks, prevents entry of any existing keys because it closes that off completely, obviously. Portable, fits in the palm of your hand. Added protection, a new lock in just seconds. You can order them key-to-like and key-different in high-strength aluminum alloy. So the keying, what they're telling us here is that there are 25 changes under the major manufacturing change number 1 through 25, and it will use this K4 keyway. So they have 125 changes. They are in 5 groups of 25 each, as you can see. So you can order these in really any way that you like. In terms of key to like or key differently, provided that your group of key to like doesn't exceed 25. There would be no option for master keying these double bitted wafer style locks, so you wouldn't be able to have master keying happen, but you can order them key to like or key different. Replacement cylinders can be purchased, and that's done by just removing the cylinder. Can be removed by removing the rubber washer, the neoprene washer that's inside of there. And obviously replacement keys are available, but then you would certainly have to specify what change you want. Not only what series, but what bitting that would be on it as well. This came with an MMC 79, so that's got to be down here in that range. And looking at the key blank, and there are images below this video showing the key blank as well. They don't have listed on here what the key blank is, but that's okay. It does say MMC 79, so that will fall into that fourth range. So you'd simply, if you wanted additional keys, you'll most definitely have to specify the code that's on the bow of the key. Okay, when you order those, should you need that, you can order them, at the same time as well. When you order the locks, you just pick them up as a separate line item. Now, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the major products we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, which is very handy because it will allow you to review 100+ pages of all things locksmith-related tools and accessories and hardware for that industry. Really made by locksmiths for locksmiths is the way that I see this, and a variety of security hardware. And immediately as you start scrolling through the catalog, you'll see exactly how that's accurate. They have a wide range of installation tools that start with the prefix HIT, hardware installation tool, for prepping mortise locks, cylindrical locks, aluminum storefront hardware, electrified hardware, etc. Very comprehensive offering. If you're going to be doing a project, really large or small, the investment into this line of tools is one that will certainly pay off within just the first couple of uses. At least that's my experience when it comes to this product line. Okay, let's wrap up this video on camera. Very nice quality item. It's going to give you the ability to very quickly control rights and privileges over a lock, and this would be really an elegant way to do it. And not only elegant, but it is more attractive. I've been to countless job sites, and you see the typical padlock safety hasp and staple that's just surface mounted to the face of the door. Looks a little unrefined, especially if you're doing that within a mall where you've got the public walking past it. You might want to choose to put something a little more elegant on the door as well. Okay. Also prevents access to, because you can't visually see the front of the cylinder. It's helping you. It's helping serve the purpose of keeping that information secure as well. If you can't see the cylinder, you can't discern information about the cylinder either, is the concept. Okay. You know what? Let's do one final thing. Let's take a couple of basic dimensions on the preparation in the side. That overall looks like it's about 1 inch and 1/8. Its width looks like it's about 1/2 inch. The overall width of the prep on the back side looks like it's about 1 inch and 7/8, with an overall height at about 1 1/4 inches, I would say, at its maximum. Okay. Any questions on the major manufacturing A200 Kee Blok or any other major product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.